Speaker, death in and of itself should not be a taxable event. Death should not force the sale of family farms or the dissolution of small businesses. The fear of death should not be a reason for an American to hire a battery of accountants and lawyers to find legal ways to reduce the bite of the estate tax. And after a long wait, we're about to realize that goal. Set in motion by a law passed by the Republican Congress earlier this decade, there will be no death tax in 2010. That's just 29 days away. The bill before us, however, would resurrect the death tax next month and apply a 45% tax rate to estates above a $3.5 million exemption amount. The majority claims to be offering certainty to taxpayers, and I suppose in a way they are. They are certainly repealing the hope of ever eliminating the death tax. They are replacing that with the certainty of a federal tax rate that at 45% must be considered confiscatory. No American should have the federal government take nearly half of their net worth. They're providing the certainty of an exemption that's not indexed for inflation, meaning that over time, it is certain that more and more family farms and small businesses will be subject to this punishing tax. Just take a look at the AMT. Mr. Speaker, one other thing that is certain about this bill is that it is unlikely to be approved before the end of the year. As we are all aware, the Senate's fully engaged in a health care debate. It is unlikely to break from that to consider this bill this month, particularly since a clear majority of the Senate has indicated its support for a far more equitable and bipartisan death tax relief measure. We all understand that the current situation would benefit from a permanent solution, but this is not the right one, and I urge its defeat. I reserve the balance of my time, and I ask unanimous consent that the remainder of my time be controlled by the gentleman from Texas, Mr. Brady.
Without objection, so ordered.